Hi everyone, today I'm going to review random exciting products that you may have seen but you haven't seen if it's working or not, if it's worth it to buy or not. I will tell you guys the benefit of these products and what makes these products different than others. In this video we have skincare, makeup, hair products, and vitamins. Let's just jump into it. How to transform your skin with the power of soy milk and niacinamide for a radiant and glass-like glow. I've been using a vegan milky serum with 68% soy milk, niacinamide, and hyaluronic acid for a smooth, radiant skin. It has brightened my complex, reduce dark spots, control acne, and boost hydration. I love this product because it's packed with collagen boosting isoflavones. It keeps my skin firm, moisturized, and glowy. Perfect for a daily use on all skin types. Just look at my skin before and after.
Retinol, retinol, tretinoin. You've heard of them, but how do they work?
Retinol is the closest thing to tretinoin without prescription. Let me tell you why this dual retinoid treatment is a game changer. This dual retinoid treatment formulated with retinaldehyde, adapinoid, and pomegranate peel to suit all skin types, leaving the skin radiant. It helps with the skin renewal, texture, and a glowy new skin. Retinaldehyde can be introduced in your 20s to address texture or achieve luminous skin. Retinaldehyde is a direct precursor to retinoic acid, meaning faster results with less irritation. Clinical studies showing 100% improvement in texture and luminosity. Paul's Choice will give you the luminous skin that you were waiting for. Can you tell if I have pimple patches on my skin? Let me close this up. Of course you can't tell because I have one of the best pimple patches on my skin that's blended with my makeup. I've been using this kit. It's a game changer for blemishes care. It includes a variety of patches for different skin concerns like whitehead, stubborn acne, and post-blemishes care. The advanced hydrocolloid technology absorbs impurity and reduces blemishes overnight. I love how ultra thin and translucent the patches are. They blend perfectly with my skin, even under makeup. With multiple patches types and one affordable kit, it's an amazing solution to keep on hand. This one has 10,000 mcg biotin. That's a lot of biotin for hair, nails, and skin. You see my nails? All my life has been short like this. I always chew on them because I'm low on protein, biotin. I've been using New Zealand patented keratin for effective anti-hair loss results. 30 days to reduce hair loss and 60 days to cut it by half. It targets 3 main causes of hair loss, offering 3-way solution while also refusing cortisol damage. From hair to fingertips, it cares for every inch of beauty, guarding both hair and skin beyond the traditional vitamins. I am so obsessed with these tablets, I will not stop taking them. Do you know what does a sticky primer do? This is exactly what it does. Gives you a flawless finish look. I'm using this vegan jade jelly primer. It has a multifunctional formula that simplifies my routine by combining skincare and primer in one. It hydrates, firms, and smooths my skin while creating the perfect base for a long-lasting makeup. Another reason why I love this primer, at nighttime it works as a repair treatment. It regenerates, nourish my skin for a healthy glow by morning. Do you know the artist from Korea, Jisoo from Blackpink? This is her firming, hydrating, and flawless makeup-ready skin secret. I honestly hate tablets because I hate swallowing tablets, but these are so easy. I just grab one and chew one. This B complex is strictly added in accordance with the recommended amount of US regulations, 100% nutritious and applicable. It combines B vitamin and taurine in a 9-in-1 blend for better health, plus the superfood blend orange powder for a sweet and tangy flavor. This made my life much easier. The amount of energy I spend every day, wake up so early, go to the gym, create all this content, the amount of energy I have, I can't even explain. Look at my eyes without lashes and with lashes. These are eyelash extension kit DIY 200 pieces. These are such a natural looking lashes. It's so easy to apply. It's waterproof, long lasting. It's a perfect DIY lashes. It saves me so much money from going to the salon paying $250 each time. Now I do my own lashes at home. Look how pretty and nice and gorgeous natural it looks. I do this every 3 weeks and it only takes me 5 minutes. I love using the waterless lotion bar format. It feels so luxurious with no stickiness. It is so easy to rub onto the skin. Just one application of the body stone gives me more cocoa butter than a whole bottle of lotion. It is a concentrated formula packed with active ingredients. My skin is so dry and ashy and I don't need to apply as much as or as often to see results. I love this brand because it's all about sustainability. They use a low carbon waterless formula, donate to environmental non-profits, and have plastic free packaging. It is 100% wax free, not sticky or greasy, and the application is mess free without any rubbing or tugging on the skin. Let me show you guys my skin before and after. Look how hydrated and moisturized it looks. It's not about only what you put on your skin to get the glass-like glowy, healthy, hydrated skin. It's about what do you put inside your skin, what you drink, what do you eat, what kind of supplements you take, vitamins you take, all of them combined with the great skincare products gives you a great skin look. This is number one seller on TikTok, Collagen Plus Biotin. It is clinically proven collagen peptides. This Mealy supercharged liquid collagen is my go-to for healthy skin, hair, and nails. It is so packed with collagen peptides to reduce fine lines, boost glow, and support my daily protein intake. With 111% of daily vitamin C, it's must have. Usually collagen peptides have this weird smell that I don't like, but this one is different. It literally feels so good when I take it. Just buy one from the verified Mealy store. I hope you guys enjoyed this 15 product review, and if you liked any of these or you're using any of these, let me know in the comment section. This one is my favorite product, which I could use this as a skincare or primer under my makeup, which I use this every single day and I love it. If you guys have any products in mind, let me know in the comment section. I'll buy it and review it for you guys. And if you like this video, give your girl a big thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, consider subscribing. I post every Saturdays and Sundays, and click the bell icon so we can stay in touch. Like always, I love you guys. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.